Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 268 or slight illegal detention. Under Article 268, slight illegal detention is committed by any private individual who shall commit the crimes described in Article 267 without the attendance of any of the circumstances enumerated therein. May apat na elements upang mag-apply itong article na ito. First, offender is a private individual. Second, he kidnaps or detains another or in any other manner deprives him of his liberty. Third, act of kidnapping or detention is illegal. Dito sa first to third element, parehas po ito sa na-discuss natin sa Article 267, which is kidnapping and serious illegal detention. Fourth, crime is committed without the attendance of any of the circumstances enumerated in Article 267. Ito yung apat na circumstances. Dapat wala ni isa doon ang nangyari. Kung may isang present, Article 267 po ang na-violate and not Article 268. Kailan may privilege mitigating circumstance dito sa crime na ito, or instance kung kailan mas mababa sa 1 degree ang penalty. When the offender voluntarily released the person so kidnapped or detained. Diba sa Article 267, walang effect ang voluntary release. Pero dito sa slight illegal detention, may effect po yung voluntary release. Magiging privilege mitigating circumstance siya. Pero para mag-apply yung mitigating circumstance na to, may 3 requirements. First, the offender voluntarily releases the person so kidnapped or detained within 3 days from the commencement of the detention. Kung nirelease yung victim on the 4th day, wala na po yung effect. Na-consummate na po yung crime under Article 267 or kidnapping and serious illegal detention. So kung nirelease niya after 2 days, pwedeng pumasok itong mitigating circumstance. Second, without having attained the purpose intended. So, nirelease yung victim before niya makuha yung gusto niyang makuha sa victim. Third, before the institution of criminal proceedings against him. Hindi pa po umabot sa prosecutor or wala pa pong na-file na complaint para mag-apply itong privilege mitigating circumstance. So, itong tatlong nabanggit, dapat present siya para mag-apply yung privilege mitigating circumstance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.